Welcome to Digging In, a podcast from the Tarrant County Master Gardener Association, where we get our hands dirty and dig into gardening right here in North Texas. I'm Elizabeth McCarthy, your host, a Tarrant County Master Gardener and fellow soil enthusiast. And like every gardener I know, I still learn something every time I step outside. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or you're still trying to figure out why that easy-to-grow plant didn't quite get the memo, you're in the right place. Each episode, I'll sit down with gardeners and specialists and other folks who really know their stuff. And it's not just because they've studied it, but because they've actually gotten their hands dirty doing it. We'll talk about what works and what doesn't, what we've learned the hard way, and how you can put that experience to work in your own garden. We'll also tackle what's bugging you, real questions that come in from our help desk, and share timely tips for gardening right here in our community. There'll be plants and pests, soils and seasons, successes, and probably a few failures along the way as well. So grab your mug, bring your questions, and let's dig in.